Hey guys, I'm showing you this Jsaux docking station dual monitor. We received this as a sample to test and try. This is a 10-in-1 USB-C docking station or a laptop docking station with a 4K HDMI. It's also have a 100 watt PD and the USB 3.0 with the Ethernet SDTF audio for any laptop. So just open this box. So this is the main docking station. As you can see, it's a really nice compact design. I have multiple USBs here, HDMI, USB-C, and also have the ratings here. So you can see everything is printed on these, and you can open this as a storage. So this is a really nice design. You can store your SIM card, TF card, micro SD cards here in these compartments. So it is just for the storage. It also comes with this pinhole if you want to just take out the SIM. The USB-C cable on the other side and the adapters. So this is a magnetic closer that you can close and then just put it. So this is a USB-C cable. So this is high watt cable that you can use to use any USB-C device. There are also the other adapters to transfer to lightning cable, micro USB or USB-C or the USB. So these different attachments are really very helpful, and this accessory kits are also, this is also angled um, you know extension here, and this is a USB-C that you can use it directly and then store your TF cards, micro SD cards. So this is a really nice docking station design with a storage compartment, micro SD card readers on the top and the hub, and then this is also an adapter to a lightning USB-C to lightning. So this docking station have multiple attachments, adapters, storage and things. So this can be really a multiple use thing. So I just put in some HDMIs, my DV, and also the USB and USB-C. So everything is working really fine. My both monitors are connected well, and also a LAN cable. So the internet is there. So everything is working as described, and this one is also have this particular docking station with the attachments supporting a 4K vision and also a nice storage. Oh, I took out this USB-C just to put in for the connection.